Hello, this is Michela Hørum. In this video, I want to show you some payment proof, and that will be my first withdrawal from Right to the Future. I'm super excited, and ever since day one I have joined this concept, I have been happy and optimistic, and it's super professional, and it's very, very awesome to work with this company and this compensation plan and this product. I am happy, and I want to show you how you make your first withdrawal, ever since everybody will have withdrawals from Right to the Future when they have a profile in here. We are earning trading profit, so we are buying a trading profit package, and from that you will daily have up to 1.25%, and that goes straight into your profile. There are no restrictions. You can make daily withdrawals, and it's super easy. So let's do that. You go on the e-wallet, request withdraw. Here you can see what I have been earning. The first month I opened my profile the 12th of December, and this is the balance right now. I'm going to upgrade right after to a bigger package, so I earn even more. I like making compound on my earnings. That will say, take what you have earned, go in with something bigger and earn even more. It depends what type of person we are dealing with, but it's something I recommend if you really want to earn some big money online. It's a great advice. In another way, sometimes it can also be risky to make compound earnings in online systems. I do it every time because I believe 5,000% in the concepts I'm joining, and I all the time have very great results doing that. So I of course recommend to upgrade with the earnings, but again, it's completely up to you. There is some different ranks in this system if you are referring to people, and a cap what you can withdraw daily, and I have a daily withdrawal cap on $2,000 a day, so I'm taking what I can out here. I take 2,000, I click my transaction password, and I click withdraw. Now that has gone one day, and I just have received my money from my payout yesterday, so one day took it to come to my account. You can see it right here. You can also go in on the income details, released income. There. And you can also go on the e-wallet details. And there you can also see it, e-wallet details. You can see your membership fee, you can see your withdrawals, you can see your commission, you can see your trading profit, you can see everything. I don't show it here because this is good enough. I have some personal details I don't want to show with my downline in there. So this was it. And now I of course want to show you my YX account. Bye bye.